All right, time to take a look at the MHW-3BOMBER coffee tamping station. Okay, wow. I don't think I even have to say it, but this is a beautiful piece of wood. This is almost art. You can definitely tell there's a couple different pieces of wood in here, and this is going directly down the center of the tamper holder. So this surface right here is where you actually tamper the grounds into a puck, and I really like that they put the logo right there. That actually is a very nice touch. They made it plenty large enough that you can take a full-size portafilter, like a bottomless portafilter, and just set it right on top of it. But they also made it so it goes over the edge. Now the reason for that is that not all portafilters are bottomless. So you can see this one has this nozzle here on the bottom. If I just put that right in the center, I would be pressing right on those nozzles. So this allows me to put it right on the edge, and then I can still get that nice tamp, and I don't have to worry about damaging those nozzles. We also have some cutouts right here where we could put our tampers or our distributors, so nice to have options for that. And then this is for the milk pitcher. So the main point of that, like if I, this is a glass table, for example. After I got done frothing the milk, I want to tap it on something, I can tap it on this, and I don't have to worry about damaging the table. On top of that, this milk is going to be very hot, so I can put it on there, and that pad, because it's made out of metal, you're not going to have to worry about it damaging that. Whereas I wouldn't want to put this on a nice piece of furniture because I wouldn't want to risk damaging that surface. So this is a perfect surface just for that. So yeah, that is a very nice tamping station.